Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear friends, this is Nasibullah Sami. In this tutorial we are going to discuss how to make a flat design using C Sharp with Visual Studio 2013. First of all, we are going to make a Windows Form application, and we will make it a flat design. And we will name it flat design. So once we have created our form, we are going to the parted section, the property of the form, and here makes it to the center position when the application is loaded. After this, we are making some panels. In the property of panel dock, we are making it to the left side, or right side, sorry, and as well as we are going to take another panel. It is going to the top. I'm trying to make this tutorial short as possible, so I need your attention. So now we are going to get some buttons. Flat design and appearance 0, border size 0, and in font section as it was requested to make a design which supports Dari, Pashto or Urdu languages. So in this case I will use some Dari words. You can use anything you want. In my case it is Mushtari, it means customer, and I had a copy of that. I will name this Karmand, means employee. So these are two buttons. For this I need another panel. Is better. So I will copy this button and make next for closing the application. application.exit, and the exit function will cause the terminating application when the user clicks this button. So as the customer clicks on this button, mushtari or customer button, so this panel should be in front of this button. If a end user presses or clicks on this button, and this panel should be over here. So on first button, firstly we have to name this panel a proper name, side panel. Side panel dot height is equal to button 1 dot height, and side panel dot top is equal to button 1 dot top. And as well as for the employee button, as well as we will do the same code. Side panel dot height is equal to, but this time it is button 2 dot height. Side panel dot top is equal to button 2 dot top. So we will run the application and see the functionality, is it working or not. So its application, look, it is working perfectly, but there is some space between this panel and this button. We will manage it. If we close this button, the application will be terminated. So we will move this letter there. So now I would like to have some icons for the buttons. In my case, I will use some images, as I don't have some proper images for this. So I will just use it, and you can have your own. This button will be, this picture will be perfect for that. So image align is equal to right side, and we will make it short. So, and as well as we will make it for this button too. I'm just using it, but you can have proper images for each one. So this was just a flat design. So now we will create some controls. If a user presses this button, and there a control should appear in that we would have our forms, create views and other things. So right click on the project, add and user control. User control, we will name it just customers, and it will be the size for it, and we will just only take a label for that. In my case, I don't want to make this video too lengthy. You can have buttons, text boxes, radio boxes, grade views, everything here in this user control, but I will just simply use a label here. This is customer section. And I will create another one another user control, but this time with the name of employees. I will copy the same label to the employee section, but we'll change the customer part to employee. So here we go. So now we have to rebuild our project. So go to tools and search for customer. Here we go. We have a control with the name of customer. So as it is so large and with big size, so we will just make size and copy the size from there and we'll make there too. And look, come to size, copy size in customer control, properties, size, paste here, and as well as in the employee section too. We will rebuild our project again. This is customer and now it is employee. We will just drag it here. So now it is the time when a customer presses this button, what should be performed. As this label is going to in front of this button, it also have to bring the customer control to the front if the employee or Carmonth button has been clicked, so the employee has to be in the front. So a simple code here, we will just customer control customer one dot bring to front and click on this button, employee one dot bring to front. It's a simple and flat design. Hope you would like it. So now we will check up for the functionality. Look, if we click the customer or Mushtari, then this control will appear. If we click on the employee or Carmonth, so the employee control will appear here. So I have used this Dari font for some of my friends who were requesting for this to make Dari font or Arabic or Urdu language in a C# application. So we have implemented everything here, so you can make your buttons, text boxes, great views and other things here in your user controls. So hope you will like this tutorial and learn something about from it, and it's kindly requested to you guys to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share, and sorry for my bad language, I'm not good in English too. Thank you for your kind attention. Goodbye.